Welcome to Munnar, the God's own country, Kerala. This video is all about the road trip to Munnar from Bangalore. We woke up early morning 3 a.m. and managed to leave the house by 4:15.
Shows 512 kilometers from our house, 9 hours 32 minutes. And which route are we going to take?
Electronic City and then Hosur Road.
Okay.
And finally taking Dindigul route and then taking right side from Dindigul.
Okay. So hopefully we'll reach on time. Let's see.
Right now we are entering to the nice road tolls and we will be exiting in Electronic City toll joining to Hosur Road. Though we have Rajamarga Yatra annual pass which is priced around 3075, it approximately covers 200 tolls crossing and the validity is 1 year. The pass does not cover private tolls like the nice road. It is especially made for the national highways and national expressways operated by NHAI. If you are someone who travels a lot in highways, I think this is a great offer. And please note, this is applicable only for the private non-commercial vehicles.
So it's 5:50 in the morning and we are on NH44 highway. So I think this will lead to the Dharmapuri route.
Sunrise is yet to happen.
Yeah, so it's almost time for the sunrise. And here it is.
We took our first stop for the coconut drink. The coconut water was warm and a little bit of sour. The price was 70 rupees for each. We continued our journey on National Highway 44 and we stopped for the breakfast around 8 o'clock at Adiyar Anand Bhavan.
Okay, so it's 8:30 in the morning and we just finished our breakfast. And how much time do we have to reach?
It's showing 5 hours 41 minutes, 302 kilometers.
Oh, that's nice. We have covered almost 40% of the route.
We have covered so far 236 kilometers.
Okay.
As majority of the route is through Tamil Nadu, don't expect the weather to be cool. We are taking right diversion from the Dindigul bypass road towards the Kodaikanal route. We are about to join National Highway 183. You can take this route for Shabarimalai, Kottayam, Theni, Munnar and Kodaikanal.
It was around 1 p.m. when we started climbing the Munnar hills with these beautiful views, and the weather was quite hot. And around 1:30 p.m. we spotted this restaurant and we stopped for the lunch.
The restaurant was not so crowded and was not looking any fancy. Hence, we were little doubtful. But trust me, the taste and the quality was really top notch. And the best part is the food with this view.
All the dishes in the menu were at reasonable prices. All the dishes which we ordered were delicious and we enjoyed the food.
By the time we finished our food, it was slowly getting crowded.
The restaurant did not have a name board, but on the bill it was mentioned as Mirchi's Multi-Cuisine Restaurant, Munnar Road. Okay, so we just finished our lunch at a small spot but with a beautiful view, and we are heading towards our room. So the room which we have booked is Dream Coconut Villa. So I think we'll reach in another 1 hour. So let's see. Until then, enjoy the view. As and when we started reaching closer to Munnar, the temperature gradually started dropping from 35 degree burning hot to 23 degree pleasant cool. In this trip to Munnar, we'll be staying in 2 resorts. The first one is the Dream Coconut Villa, which is a budget-friendly, decent resort. The second one is Ragamaya, which is considered one of the best luxury resorts in Munnar. The Dream Coconut Villa Resort is situated on Bison Valley, and you'll find it much before reaching the Munnar peak.
We checked in around 3:30 pm and the weather was already quite pleasant and cool. We had to climb down a long way to reach our rooms to get one of the best views. The route towards the room itself was like a relaxing nature walk.
This is our room. Let's see how it is.
The rooms were spacious and clean. And this was the view from our room. Check out the complete detailed video of Dream Coconut Villa Resort about the prices, amenities, the distance from the main city, the complete resort tour for more information. Thank you for watching. This was about the part 1 of Munnar road trip, and stay tuned for part 2. And if you're new to this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.